Then the zero rated products, when we connect Link My Books to our sales channel, it will determine based on our product, what UPC, like how does it know that it's a zero rated product, or do we need to supply this information to you? This.
Very good question. Very good question. So for Amazon and for Shopify, we can automatically detect that. So for Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
we use what's called the product tax code. So
Mm-hmm.
when you add a product to Amazon, you also add a product tax code. Now, all products by default will have the AGEN tax product tax code, which just means that it incurs
Mm.
tax. But if you sell food products or baby products or like car seats or anything like that, which is a lower VAT rated item, then you can select the correct product tax code in Amazon and then it will automatically charge the customers the correct VAT amount, either nothing or 5%. And we can detect those product tax codes as they're coming into Link My Books. So for all of those transactions, we'll be looking up the orders, we'll look up the product tax codes. So we'll know which ones are zero rated and which ones are reduced rated, and we'll move those accordingly. For Shopify, we
Mm-hmm.
have a similar thing where basically we can detect it from Shopify if you've ticked the box to say taxable or non-taxable. For
Mm-hmm.
all the other channels, so let's imagine this was an eBay account, then what you would do is you would come into Link My Books, you would go into product groups, and then in product groups, here we have three example products. This one is marked as zero rated. These two are standard rated. And so you could just choose in this drop down which type of product these products are. And
Mm-hmm.
if you've got lots of products, you can do it through bulk upload as well. So you can
Mm-hmm.
download our template, then you can like use a Excel worksheet to correct all the tax rates and then upload the sheet again, and there you go, you're done. So I think that it's much easier for Amazon and Shopify, but the others are as straightforward as we can make it. Unfortunately, those other channels just don't make that information available through their APIs. Some people might sell on Amazon and then they might also sell on eBay. And so obviously the eBay side of things you have to do manually. Same for TikTok Shop as well. But we automate as much of the process as we possibly can, basically.
Maybe you have a little tip for those who are, they're on eBay and they need to do it manually. Like, how do they get those right tax codes? Should they contact some department or should they ask the factory? Or there's like maybe just because maybe a seller is listening, like, look, man, I don't know. Like, what about mine? Like, I've just here my first product. I'm not even
Yeah,
sure, or not even first product. Maybe they're
I
looking
think
into expanding and they're like,
I think most sellers will probably know if they sell zero rated or reduced rated products. But if
mhm,
they don't know, then I think you can actually go on the HMRC's website and you can actually like list of all the types of products that are
mhm,
zero rated and reduced rated.
mhm,
Alternatively, you could maybe ask ChatGPT to see if like it can give you some advice. It might not be
mhm.
100% accurate, but it'll
Yeah.
probably point you in the right direction. And then the
Uh-huh.
last thing I would be was to be ask your accountant.
Yes.
Or you can chat with us as well. We might
Yeah.
be able to help
Yeah.
you on the product side of things.
Thanks, man.